yesterday, embarkation day, I really didn't film because we got the drink package. It's about 5:40 in the morning.
I thought it would kill me to fall again, but I hit the ground running.
And I'm like one of the few people up. That guy is actually doing like a 360 cam. Pretty cool. Very quiet in here right now. Last night, busy. I'm gonna go look for some coffee. Let's go look for some coffee. That's pretty trippy.
Hours later.
We're going to do water aerobics.
Water aerobics. She's walking to the water aerobics.
Alright guys, so we are poolside and we're going to do some water aerobics. We're going to go surprise my mom. She doesn't think that I'm coming. She doesn't think I'd get up at 8:50. But I did. It's my birthday and I'm 36 now. And I'm turning a new leaf.
Is that water aerobics?
Yeah, that's how you...
Check. Good morning everyone at the deck. 11 and 12. It's just an announcement that if you are hearing and you are interested to do water aerobics, so you are invited to the main pool starboard side. Make sure you are inside the pool now. We are going to start our
Oh, wow. Okay, so we had to go back. They didn't make the announcement, though.
Well, it's in the
Wow.
morning.
Yeah, I guess
Yes,
it's...
I saw that. I know.
All right, guys, we just finished water aerobics. Oh, my God, we have not laughed that hard.
Anyways, hope Cameron got some good video.
We're going to go get ready, get dressed, and then we're going to go to breakfast in the main dining room if we can kind of try to corral these other people into it. So we'll see you there.
We didn't get through the lines were so long. I just got the short one, just had limited to this. We're glad to have these things.
What's that bread?
The streusel bread.
Oh, no, I saw that when I was looking on your YouTube channel.
Saw what?
I saw the Kelman Explorers t-shirts. I didn't know you had that. How do you go about getting it?
You just go into my link, and Bonfire will print them on demand and mail them to you.
Okay, so basically they don't have like a whole stockpile waiting for people to buy them.
I
They
don't
just
have
print them.
inventory. That's just how it is.
So what is Kelman 9?
That's how you follow me. That's my
What is the 9?
9's my favorite number.
Oh, Kelman 9. Don't buy a shirt.
So a lot of people think there's not a lot of stuff to do on a cruise, but look at this. Pickleball, the rock climbing.
You have to have closed-toed shoes. Whoops.
Saved by the referee.
Because you didn't want to play?
No, because I have the wrong shoes on.
Oh,
Darn.
that's what was affecting your game, I'm sure.
We need to burn off calories.
Fair enough.
And I'll take a thing.
Hey, that's what you said.
You're wild. Get in your seat. Let's go. Where's your phone? In my hand. Okay, give me your phone. Guys, are we doing Daytona, Talladega?
I don't think we're not. We're doing Daytona.
Let's do Daytona.
That's what I was telling you. It's not working for that. It's not going to work.
Holy Danica Patrick.
If you ain't first, you're
no,
last.
Tell me I died. Oh no. NASCAR.
Call me Ricky Bobby.
It doesn't even go that fast.
Actually, I should have done Talladega because you know I'm a winner. Go, go, go. 'Cause I'm a winner. I'm a wiener. I got 7.
6 over here.
That was a 6-minute drive. And I haven't even hold on, I got you. I got this. Look at you, not that old.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up.
I feel like this trip is going by so fast. I'm not a fan of the short trips. I'm thankful we're going on a trip, but I wish we were on a week-long cruise.
You don't have time to rest.
No, you gotta go.
You rest, you miss something.
Yeah.
I rested today and I missed something.
And it's like, we're already formal night. Like, we gotta get down there. We gotta look cute. This is as cute as it's gonna look, unfortunately, because I'm tired. I got up and did water aerobics this morning, okay? Water aerobics.
That was fun, though.
Yeah. And then did a lot of gambling today. Did blackjack. Usually don't do blackjack, but my brother got me out of my shell on the blackjack. And then tried to go decorate cupcakes. Needed to have a reservation for that. Could not figure out how or where to do the reservation, so missed out on that, unfortunately. And then ate at the Windjammer. So yeah, it's been a whirlwind of 24 hours. Just trying to fit everything in on this boat. But it is formal night. We're gonna go eat some good food. So let's go on.
Happy birthday, dear Brittany.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay, thank you.
28.
Yeah. Great, plus a lot more.
Without emotions made of steel, what was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. Stood there for a while.
Hey, Frenchie, throw me a ciggy, will ya? Hey, you want one, Sandy? Oh, no thanks, I don't smoke. Go on, try it. It ain't gonna kill ya. Oh, I should have told ya. Don't inhale if you're not used to it. Sandy, you get that.
Good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. Stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time, I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time, I've been so far now, seeing you shine. I let my circus glory soon be mine. You are the only one who
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you can, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Bye.